Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make the flashing lights moving collage edit on CapCut. So first you need to prepare a photo collage like this, and now on CapCut go to the ratio and change the format to 1:1 or square. Click on a check icon and then zoom the picture like this, and then move it all the way up, move it like this. Okay, after you move it, add a keyframe at the start and now add another keyframe in the middle and move the picture all the way like this. Move the picture up. Okay, so now just export the clip. So the clip will go like this. Export it and start a new project with the picture that you just saved. Okay, this new project right here, and now go to the video effect, click on the lens category and then add the FPS like effect. Okay, this one, and adjust it to around 35. Okay, now add another video effect. You need to add the ripple distortion, so you can find it under the distortion category. Okay, this one, ripple distortion. Set the sharpen to 0, blur 35, size 12, and intensity 23. Okay, now click on a check icon and export the project again. Click on done and then start a new project again and add the video that you just saved with the video effect. Now go to overlay and add this flashlight overlay. So I got this from TikTok. You can just find one on TikTok, and then you can just, I'm going to make it short, I'm going to make it faster. Oops. Okay, like this. Now go to fit the size, then go to blend, choose filter. Okay, now this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks button. Bye.